This is the Leatherman Signal, and this is a tool for outdoor adventurers. When we came up with the Leatherman Signal, we tried to hit a fine line between having a tool that was practical for the everyday adventurer, but also give them the additional security of having the features to get them out of a jam if they found themselves in a precarious situation. So some of the most fun stuff for me to work on were absolutely the new features for this tool, and some of the key new features were the fire starter and the whistle and the knife sharpener. A whistle in itself is not a new idea. People know about whistles, but how are we gonna put that in the Signal tool in a way that you can use it easily and not lose it? So there's a mechanism here that's a spring that retains the part from the inside. You can only get this out from the inside of the tool, so when the tool is closed, you have no chance of losing it. We had a frequency and a decibel target when we started. What we ended up doing was trying to make a reasonably high-pitched sound so that it would carry and pierce through a natural soundscape, but also giving it a little bit more low end so it would carry a little further. This type of fire starter rod is a material called ferrocerium. It's not actually flint, which is a misconception. You can have harder or softer ferroceriums, and the harder materials will last longer, but they don't provide as much of a spark. The softer materials will really gob up and provide you a lot of flame, but they don't last as long. So that's the trade-off. We ended up tipping the scale pretty far towards a softer element that if you were really in an emergency situation, you would prefer to have that. And this is essentially a curved diamond file, and the profile of the curvature here was designed to match the profile of the serrations, so that if you were really going to be in the woods for a significant amount of days and this was going to be your only tool, you would have an avenue to sharpen up not only the flat part of your blade, but the serrations themselves also.
The nCamp wood-burning stove is about the size of a small book, but it unfolds into a stable cooktop. Just find a level surface, clear flammable debris, set up the stove, fill it with twigs, and light. Within minutes, the stove is hot enough to boil water or cook. Its top surface supports your cookware and provides a place to set utensils so they don't end up in the dirt. The stove is made of aluminum and stainless steel, making it light and durable. nCamp, pack small.
Hi, my name is Josh with Byrna Technologies, and this is our detailed breakdown of the all-new Byrna SD launcher. The SD is the embodiment of Byrna's commitment to innovation and constant drive to provide the most advanced, less lethal self-defense tools on the market. While having a similar form factor and size to its wildly popular predecessor, the HD, the Byrna SD has several notable upgrades. The first is the SD's new raised textured honeycomb grip pattern, which allows the shooter better weapon control in all conditions, even when wet. The SD also integrates upgraded 3-blade fixed sights that allow for quicker target acquisition and a more consistent sight picture. The SD's biggest upgrade resides in the trigger mechanism. The completely redesigned system includes a flat trigger interface, which helps increase leverage, creating a smoother trigger press for the shooter. This new design has also allowed Byrna to decrease the weight needed to activate the trigger to under 6.5 pounds, similar to that of many semi-automatic pistols. This makes rapid and precise follow-up shots much easier for shooters of all types. If you're ready to level up your self-defense game, the SD is here to provide you with the ultimate advantage in less lethal. And until next time, live safe.
What do you think about when you hear that word? Exactly. Crazy people. Gas mask bunkers. Thousands of dollars of food and water stored for a day that may never come. You done?
Yeah. But statistics show that terrorism, natural disaster, and overpopulation are all on the rise.
So even though you may think preppers are a bit strange,
chances are you may be a little less prepared than you want to be.
Hey, what's up? I'm Mike Escamilla.
And I'm Christian Schaff. Collectively, we've traveled to over 100 countries and spent time in some of the most extreme and dangerous environments in the world.
I know what you're saying. You can get a go bag anywhere, survival bag at any grocery store. Well, this is what you're getting. A backpack full of stuff, unorganized, no rhyme or reason. You got food here. This is your first aid kit. You've got toilet paper.
What do you use popsicle sticks for?
I'm not sure. Water, cheap flashlight, batteries that are corrode.
This
all
is not
the
even
bag.
waterproof.
Nothing. This is all nothing. All this is garbage.
Introducing the 72, the world's first fully integrated 72-hour survival system. The 72's outer shell features beautiful, waterproof, and extremely durable tarpaulin. This material is so airtight, the bag can even be used as a flotation device. An additional waterproof pocket on the back protects and secures important documents and electronics. And the two hip pockets have enough space for today's largest smartphones. Both shoulder straps feature flashlight mounts for hands-free lighting.
And the flashlight is 100% waterproof.
The adjustable sternum strap features an integrated emergency whistle. Opening the airtight roll top reveals a military-grade canvas insert with a hard exoskeleton. This insert features backpack straps to provide additional carrying capacity by freeing up the external bag when needed.
The ACPE plastic inserts can be removed and attached to your feet to form snowshoes, slings,
and a variety of other uses.
Yeah, we can get a helicopter. That sounds awesome. Opening the insert reveals over 30 tools that are designed to work together to protect you in thousands of situations.
Each product has been hand-selected by our team of experts based on its quality, necessity, and ease of use.
The goggles are lightweight, sturdy, yet big enough to fit over a pair of prescription glasses.
The RZ M2 mask is unparalleled in its class. Its lightweight, slim design features a full mesh body construction while filtering 99.9% of everything you'll breathe. The Eaton FRX is an AM/FM radio, flashlight, phone charger, and emergency weather radio all in one. It charges through solar, its integrated crank, or simply plugging it into the wall before you leave home.
The Sawyer Mini water filter is rated 0.1 micros absolute. It weighs 2 ounces and filters up to 100,000 gallons of water.
And the included Nalgene water bottle comes printed with custom instructions and measurements on when and how much to drink in an emergency situation. Datrex emergency rations are all natural with no preservatives and taste like a sugar cookie. The high level of protein is certified to keep contents fresh for a minimum of 5 years.
The included knife comes with a serrated edge and a magnesium flint, guaranteeing you'll never be caught without a way to make fire again.
And most importantly, clear and simple instructions that help the most novice user get through any situation. 95% of survival situations are resolved in the first 72 hours. But what you do in those first 72 hours can mean the difference in life and death for you and your family. Our $70,000 goal allows us to start this company and build products to make the world a safer place for everybody.
We've already began production, so we're going to guarantee the first 500 orders by the holidays.
The 72 is the world's first fully integrated survival system, and we hope you'll add one to your home, car, or office. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Live prepared.
Let's see our knife, which is 97010. So it's right here. It also has wooden plates installed in the handle of the knife, and this is pocket knife with spring assisted mechanism. Again, when I was talking before about spring assisted knives, I was mentioning how are they different from folding knife, because you just need to use one hand to open a knife. You don't need to use two hands. So it's basically one hand oriented. Right here, all you need to do, it has a special button right here. You just need to press it and your blade is gonna open by itself without any other force that you need to apply on it. So basically you just need to press it. Sorry, this is bad try. You just need to press right here and it's going to be open automatically. And as you can see right here, the blade already fixed by itself. So there is no way you're going to injure yourself while cutting. So basically one hand to close it and one hand to open this knife too. Okay. So this our model, which is 97010. So the blade material is stainless steel right here. It has a little bit gray color because it looks much better with wooden plates, which are attached to the handle. So this knife is made from very good stainless steel steel mark. It has hardness around 56 to 57 HRC. And the total weight of this knife is 7.41 ounces, which equals 210 grams. Full length of the knife right here from this point till here is 8.94 inches, which is 227 millimeters. And the blade length here is 3.94 inches, which is 100 millimeters long.
This is the fiber that brings the world to life and the fuel that keeps it burning. This is the spark we trust when failure isn't an option. Whether you're a prepper, adventurer, hunter, or barbecue enthusiast, from the backyard to the backcountry, PYRO Putty is the easiest, most efficient, non-toxic fire starter on the market. A patent-pending blend that sticks to anything, lights in seconds, and burns for up to 15 minutes with a single quarter-size dab. When failure to light means failure to live, PYRO Putty is 100% waterproof and windproof, making it the most reliable fire starter for survivalists, preppers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With proprietary blends created for optimal burns and temperatures ranging from -10 to 100 degrees, there's a blend for every situation, warming the most bitter environments and fueling unforgettable moments. Lithium-ion rechargeable lighters and ferro rod survival kits are available to throw the spark. PYRO Putty is here to catch it. Whether in a survival kit or your kitchen drawer, it's a system you can rely on when you need it most. So here's to the pyromaniacs, the grill masters, and the adventurers, the men and women who choose to make the wild their home. We exist so that you can live, and our passion is for you to chase yours.